All right, hi everybody. We are going to be making our very own coloring page today. By the end of this project, you will be able to identify geometric shapes, organic shapes, and solid forms. You're going to be able to draw those geometric shapes, organic shapes, and solid forms too. You're going to create some patterns with lines, and at the very end, you will have created your very own coloring page. First, let's talk about those geometric shapes. Geometric shapes are two-dimensional, they're flat, and they follow rules. They have specific names, and a circle will always be a circle. A triangle, if it's got three sides, you know that shape is a triangle, because that's one of the rules of being a triangle. So geometric shapes, you're going to need to pick one for your drawing coloring page. You're going to need to pick one organic shape. Organic shapes are also flat, two-dimensional shapes, mostly found in nature. They do not have specific names because these organic shapes do not follow any rules. You can pick one of these organic shapes, or even better, draw your own. All right, so you're going to need one geometric shape, one organic shape, and one 3D form. So a solid geometric form, a 3D form, is not flat. It is three-dimensional. It has height, width, and depth. These are mostly man-made forms, and they do have specific names. A sphere is a 3D shape that is round. A prism is a 3D shape that has a triangle base, but also has some other shapes, 2D shapes, that make it up. Cuboid, cube, cylinder, pyramid, cone. Now, the cuboid is also referred to as a rectangular prism, and this prism can also be called a triangular prism. So those are fun, more specific names that you can call these 3D shapes. You're going to need to pick one 3D shape. So we are going to start our drawing with a blank piece of paper, and I'm actually going to turn my paper vertically. You can have it horizontal, you can have it vertical. Actually, I'm going to change my mind. I'm going horizontal. Now for my geometric shape, I know that I need to fit three shapes on my paper. I need to kind of think ahead. So if I want to do a heart, and for my geometric shape, I can do a wibbly wobbly organic shape of my own creation. And then I need to do a 3D shape also. So if I think about what I want to do, I'm going to do a cube. I know that I need to fit a heart, a cube, and then an organic shape somewhere on here. So what I'm going to do first is draw my heart. I'm going to make it big, but not too big. And there's my heart. Now I'm going to draw my cube, and I'm going to start my cube with a square. Mostly the same size. And then I'm going to make my diagonal straight lines. Notice they're all going in the same direction, all that way. And then I'm going to take this line and repeat it up here. And this line I'm going to repeat right here. There's my cube. Now for my organic shape. I've got space here. I'm going to draw my organic shape. Kind of fluffy, like a cloud. There. Now I can turn it any which way and it still looks great. Now what you're going to do after you draw your geometric shape, your organic shape, and your 3D form, you are going to break up the space. I'm going to take my heart and I'm going to draw a line that divides it in half. Now I have 1, 2 spaces. I can draw a line, ooh, maybe right from here, from there to there. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces in my heart. I'm going to pick a line pattern, and I'm going to repeat that line pattern in each space, a different line pattern. So maybe for this one, I can repeat a zigzag line. Maybe in this space, I can repeat a loop-de-loop line. And then in this space, maybe I'll do a wavy line. And then in this space, I'll do a straight line. Now, when you're creating these patterns, you want to remember that this is a coloring page that you're making. If you make your lines too close, you're not going to have enough room to color in between your black lines. So leave some space, but don't leave too much space. I know, it's a delicate balance. For my 3D form, I am going to do 1 line to break up this face, 1 line to break up this face, and 1 line to break up this space. And then I can pick a line and repeat it in my shape. It's got to be different for each space, and it has to repeat. And now over here, I know I'm doing the same straight line, but this time I'm going to do a curved line. And then here I'll do a loop-de-loop. And here I'll do a spiral. Now I've got just my organic shape. I'm going to break up the space with a few lines, making sure that my lines touch on the ends. And then I'm going to pick a line and repeat it over and over and over again, making a line pattern in each space. Boop. All right, let me think. Maybe I'll do a castle line over here. And for my last line, I will do the ocean wave. This is a fun one to learn. Oh, I forgot, I've got this little space to fill too. So this is not my last one. I'll finish with my ocean wave line. And then here, my favorite line, the spiral. I love how it can just fit anywhere. Actually, all of them can. But I like the little bit of variety you get with that. All right, the only thing that's missing from my coloring page is my name. You can sign it anywhere you want, but make sure that your writing is smaller than your artwork. Remember, these beautiful geometric, organic, and 3D shapes are all the artwork, not your name. All right, I can't wait to see your coloring pages that you made. It's gonna be really awesome when we put it all together and we can see how creative our classmates are. All right, have a great day. Bye.